The tide rises in the porcelain void. A tempest born where silence once soiled. White is turned in a single law, sweeping away all it ever saw. A kingdom built on fragile clay, lost in a storm in a single day. The cries are drowned in the swirling black. A world too true, no turning back. The light in the basin, a kingdom betrayed. Lights washed away, where innocence played. Through paths of despair, the currents will flow. Sink dwelling souls through the undertow. Tiny hands grasp for a fleeting ledge as the warple's bowl drives into the edge. The faucet roars, a merciless tide. No refuge found, nowhere to hide. Heroes rise with trembling hands, clapping like both the river bends. Through suns and storm their courage fights, defying doom beneath the lights. Flood in the basin, a kingdom betrayed. Lives washed away, where innocence played. Through paths of despair, the currents will flow. Sink dwelling souls through the undertow. Flood in the basin, a kingdom betrayed. Lives washed away, where innocence played. Through paths of despair, the currents will flow. Sink dwelling souls through the undertow. Fighting the call of the train, dark and deep. A vortex hungry where shadows creep. The saviors push, the tide resists. A battle waged in a watery